And scene. All right, here we go. You mean your tampon can't touch my tampon?
No, I don't want. No. Make some little party poppers, bing, right? Yeah, that would be awesome if they did explode.
And Sheen.
Hey everybody, Ross Korzewski and Dr. Patrick Flynn. Today we are going to be testing what the best feminine hygiene products are for you. And they are organic, maximum absorbency, and even more. But it comes down to this, testing, because that's what we do. We don't guess, we test. Dr. Patrick Flynn, what in the world is going on here?
Well, I can honestly tell you, when I started the Wellness Way, and I used the we don't guess, we test, I never think we'd be testing tampons. So, this is a little bit, and I will have to say this. We have to admit to the whole crowd watching our video right now, the staff put this all together. It says that we walk back and we're like, I thought they were joking.
World? There's one thing on this table that makes sense, and that is this organic bottle of wine.
But we're not drinking it.
We're not. I might have to in order to figure this out, but
I know.
It's like...
I don't drink, but I'm thinking about it now.
Hey,
okay?
I don't know.
So let's do this. So it was kind of cool. We have about a tablespoon of organic wine in each one of them that way. I know, trust me. Hey, we're just going to go through and test this stuff. It's kind of fun.
We'll mention the product name, and we'll see what the absorbency is.
And believe it or not, Ross and I have no affiliation with tampon companies.
My favorite.
We have no affiliation with them.
Right. My favorite to stop nosebleeds is this. I'm just kidding.
Yeah. So let's do this.
Hey, real quick though. Guess what? Years ago, I used to work for a juvenile detention center, and I'd have to hand these out to girls, and I had no idea how to make this easy. So I'm like, well, this one's lime green, blueberry, butterscotch. So I might approach it this way here too, just so I can stop sweating.
I'm going to start with the butterscotch, and you're going to start the one that looks like a pill your grandma takes because she's sick.
This is a bullet.
You know what I'm saying?
Right? You know.
All right. So what's your brand? Because I got the Natera Care Regular. It's Dawn. It's right. This one, right?
Natural Care.
Natural Care. See, I don't know how to say it.
All right,
so
Natural Care.
So, and you're going to use which one?
I'm going to use the Natural Care Super.
All right. So there's the super absorbency. Okay. So. Is there an end to open these things up?
I don't know. Can I use a knife, or am I going to break down whatever tight little wad this thing is?
Okay. So what do I do here?
What in the crazy?
I don't do this thing like this, do I? What do I do?
You got to plunge it.
You got to plunge it? But do I plunge it? What? You got to take it out? Take it out like this?
No.
Oh, crap. Did I break it? Oh, wait. Hold on. Let me see here. Hold on. So to pull this?
Oh, it's a party popper.
Do I pull this? All right. Thank you.
No, you don't have.
Crap.
Oh, by the way,
okay.
There is no applicator. I've just been notified. Okay,
all right, so
there's no applicator with this.
So
no
how
plastic
does this work?
applicator. You have to do this on your own.
All right.
I'm sorry.
I messed it up already. Do you say
This is what happens in the bathroom when the.
Wait,
hold on. Don't dip in yet. All right, let's see if there's another one.
All right, so
I already messed it up. You know what I'm saying?
Okay, but Doc, listen to this. There's no applicator with this. There's
What's
no
an applicator?
A little gun that you insert.
This is an applicator.
Okay, so.
So then, like, pretend like this is a vagina. You put.
Oh, got her.
Okay,
I got it now.
Am I right in assuming if there's no applicator that this is done manually inserting with yourself? There's no little plastic gun.
Oh, so it comes out like with a push pop. You see it? It's like a push pop. When I was a kid, remember the push pop?
I do.
Yeah, it's like but instead of orange coming out, we're gonna go white to red.
Okay, so basically, Doc, there is no push pop. This is manual insertion.
Okay.
This is.
That's right.
This
is
and this.
I know.
He said don't dip yet.
Okay, let's dip.
So I'm keeping it clean.
Okay, so here we go. So I'm going to push pop it. Okay, applicator in. Now, do I pull this whole thing out? Oh man, that was fast. Now, how are you going to get the string out?
I don't know.
Oh, that was pretty crazy.
That's awesome.
Wait, dude.
What?
I got some residual coming out of me here. Look at this. It's in.
You don't have residual.
It's not absorbing everything.
All right, based on this test right here, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to say that my Natural Care Super Maximum Absorbency did a better job.
So if I was a woman right now and I put this in, I'd have to like lay on my back and roll myself around.
And not only that, you'd be
to
bummed.
catch all the blood.
You'd be bummed.
See what I'm saying?
You'd be bummed.
I'd be like,
it'd bleed through.
Yeah, I'd bleed. That's right.
Look
my
at
goodness,
that.
I would have bled through.
Look at that.
My goodness.
That's
very cool.
Right,
okay,
right
so Natural Care. If I'm not laying down on my back, insert it. And if I don't like roll around in the bed, a couple times to make sure that I catch all of it. I don't want to stand up.
I'm not. Nope. I'm not present in
I'm
account
just trying to imagine that being a woman.
I'm not.
Okay?
I'm
So it's
good.
like, but then after that, it seemed to catch everything.
I think really what you need to do is just keep like super absorbency on hand at all times, regardless
say,
of
that
what
was
you're-
awesome.
Because this was regardless of what heaviness
Yeah.
you have. This is
So
gonna
ladies,
work.
so the natural,
This is
what's it
there.
called? What's it called?
Natural care.
Natural care.
Regular.
You're
Yeah,
left-
natural rate of care.
You're left wanting for more. This one
Yes.
just says, "Give me more."
All right, here we go. Okay, natural care.
Okay.
Second one, Cora, right? Cora?
All right, this one is Honest Company. Honest Company.
Yes.
Ladies, this
Jessica
one's keeping
Biel.
you honest.
Jessica Biel owns part of that company, right? Think it's right. Okay, Jessica Biel, give us a call, okay? For so we can.
Which one is yours?
It's Cora.
Cora. Oh, I feel
Honest, was
something
it?
plastic.
Jessica Alba. Who's Jessica Biel?
Just another hot one.
Oh, she's married to Justin Timberlake. Great performer. Okay. So
Okay,
once again, now wait, so I
I'm-
don't mess this up. A
Don't
push.
slow down.
What do I do-
Relax.
What do I do in this one?
So this one, you're gonna pull,
Okay.
and then there's like a little kind of,
Oh.
so like, then you're gonna push that.
So now I push. Oh wow. So this is actually a smaller package. What you got? though? What you got?
This.
What about
I'm resorting to this.
drinking again?
Do you want help?
Nope. I'm a
So
man.
this
I gotta
time,
figure this out.
Don't
I
drop
don't need
your,
help.
Don't drop your string in there.
No, we're not doing it at the same time.
Oh, we're not.
Well, I want to
Okay.
see yours absorbed.
So you want to see my absorb? So I gotta make sure my string doesn't drop. Wait. I gotta push down farther. Oh, there it goes. Oh, don't lose my string.
That was, I'm telling you, this sucker
Oh,
right
look at this
here
one.
was
Holy
thirsty.
mackerel.
This thing was thirsty.
Okay, the same exact amount. The Cora just sucked that bugger up. So I'm telling you right now. I mean, wait, can I say this without getting sued? I kind of like Cora better than Natra or something like that.
Natural.
Natural.
Yeah.
Okay,
I don't
wait a
know,
minute.
dude. I'm
I don't
still
know,
for
this was a lot better.
This one still has the quickest maximized
Yes.
absorption rate. If
Okay.
I'm bleeding out, I want this one.
Okay, cool. Okay,
Right
cool.
here.
Okay, you
if
go
I
now.
got shot,
Yes. All right. Let's
All
see you
right,
get
so-
shot here.
Nope, nope, nope. You gotta pull this up.
I got to ask a question here because what?
No, I even know how to do it
You
now.
have to pull this up.
You got to engage. You got to engage
Oh, it's a compact, so you have to like cock
Yes.
the hammer.
it. That's right.
Now push it down.
Now it's time for action.
And make sure it pops at the end. Got to push it all the way. Well, no girl puts it that far. You got to stick
I'm
it
not
in
a girl.
You got to
There it goes.
drop it in.
Drop it like it's hot. Drop
Okay.
it like it's hot.
Wait, look at it.
Can you hear it?
Now that one did awesome too. What was that one? That was the Honest Company. So Jessica
Yeah.
Alba. We're pretty impressed. Okay? We're pretty impressed with that. That actually did, wow, that was pretty awesome.
That's awesome. All right.
Okay. Vreedy. We have a store in town called Van Vreedy's. I don't
Van
think we're getting this.
Vreedy's?
It's a furniture store. I don't think we're getting
I
it
think
from
they
there.
should come up with one that's called Greedy.
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 What's going to do the most, okay?
Yes.
So here we go.
we go with one of these again.
So is this the same thing? We got to engage?
No, 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 no.
Or this one just...
No,
Oh, it's like a stick of
You're
gum.
gonna twist,
Oh,
and it pops up.
it's got a
Uh-oh.
perforated midsection to it. Just twist and pull
All right, so
and find the string.
I'm going to use the Vreedy here, Ross.
You sure go ahead and
And
do
let's
that.
use the Vreedy. Let's see how the absorption goes.
Van Vreedy's. Why shop anywhere else? Wrong. It's not the same. Yeah.
Wrong store. Okay, hold on. Watch.
That brand really sucks. Was that good or what?
Actually, that one did really good too.
All right, here we
That
go.
one really did.
This is Bon.
So there's, wait. So I have Natura Care Regular, Cora.
Natural.
Natural. That's natural?
Is it nature or
no,
natural?
it's natural.
Natural care.
Natural Care,
Natural.
okay? So then Vreedy, okay? So Natura, Cora, Vreedy. I'm telling you right now, if it was me, I'm telling you right now, for mine, I would go with the Cora, but that's just me
All
because
right.
I'm just watching.
Here
But
we
I
go.
actually like the Honest one worked really good too.
Here we go. All right, here we go. This is just Bon. That's, I don't know, there's no applicator, so it's just you and your, yep.
Yes.
So we'll just go with that.
Hold on.
Drink. Drink.
That one's kind of slow. Wow.
Still going. Oh, it's looking for more.
It is.
All right, so based on my
Wait, wait, wait.
assessment,
Pick it up.
it's fully soaked.
Okay.
It's good.
So actually, they all worked quite well. They all worked quite well, you know what I'm saying? And so I'm actually going to, well, I'll kind of yours. I like
the natural
I
care
like
is
the Honest
super.
Care.
The one for me though, this was quick. there's a lot left. It could absorb more. My guess
Yes.
is you could wear this one longer because I don't know the timing of one's flow to be released, but that bad boy wants to do its job bad.
Yeah.
So I'm going for this one.
Okay.
But
Now,
it doesn't have an applicator, so that's kind of lame.
I was going to say, you kind of need an applicator. I understand it that way. So I'm actually going to say, so we had 6 brands here. They all seem to do their job, right?
I like the shape of these. This one just seems like it unfolds into some weird flat thing, and that doesn't seem ergonomically correct. So I'm digging these.
These look like little missiles.
Yes, they kind of do.
So
right?
it's like they kind of, are a little bit more, a little bit more shape appropriate.
That's what I'm saying. Ergonomically
and stuff like that. So yeah.
I'm sorry, ladies, for what you have to go through. If I've ever belittled you and demeaned you during your cycle, I feel bad now.
Okay, so here we go. Natracare Regular, Cora, Vita. Veeda.
Natural Care Super, non-applicator, honest company.
Yep.
This is your Jessica, whatever her name is.
Alba.
And then this is Bon.
Bon.
100% cotton, all organic.
Okay, good.
Tampon.
Our comments and stuff, we have no ties to these products. We're just trying to get the best care out to all females. And we hope you guys enjoyed us having a little fun with this process. This is Vita. How do you spell it just so I get it right?
Veeda.
Veeda. So I apologize. It was my fault that way. I said Vreedy, but it's a Veedy. Veede. Right?
Veeda.
Oh, Veeda. Okay.
Vida.
So Vida. So I like that one.